Hi there! We're continuing with the Valentine's Day looks, and today I decided to do a blushy, soft look. I feel like this is perfect for a date? Like a date during the day, like a coffee date or something like that. But obviously you can wear it for any occasion that you want. It's soft, it's dewy, it's blushy, and it's cute. So let's get into the tutorial. Since the eye look is going to be pretty soft, I'm going to start with my face. I'm not trying to do a very heavy complexion. I want it to be pretty light and glowy, so I would use my Kind and Free Skin Tint from Rimmel. I love this product. I've been saying it a lot, but I really love this product. It has a sheer coverage, dewy finish, makes the skin look very healthy. Funny enough, I got the most your skin looks beautiful compliments when I was using this product. I like to spread it evenly on my face with my finger first before using a sponge, and then I finish it off with a sponge to smooth it out. I love this product. It's my first recommendation, especially when someone with dry skin asks me for a foundation recommendation. I always mention this one. I haven't used this concealer in a while. It's from the same Kind and Free range from Rimmel. It's very lightweight, hydrating. Again, doesn't really extremely cover the under eyes. It just brightens the area a little bit, and that's what I'm looking for today, especially because I don't have really bad dark circles. I just want some brightening. I have two shades here. I have the shade Fair and the shade Light, and I'm going to mix them both. Oh, this is the shade Light. It kind of matches me, but I think I'm adding just a tiny bit of Fair as well, just to, I don't know, to lighten a little bit, to brighten even more. And I will be using the same sponge. Gently blend this in. I'm taking a little bit of the leftover product on my lids as well to cancel out the darkness that I have here. But look how pretty this looks on my under eyes. I will be reaching for you more from now on. I like this. My overall complexion looks very healthy and glowy. Before I said I want to apply cream blush, I'm going to do both cream and powder blush because it's a blush look. I'll be using my Fenty cream blush in the shade Crush on Cupid. This is really pink, no worries. If I blend it out, it's not that pink. Plus, I'm going to top it with a powder blush, like I said, so it's going to change the tone a little bit. I'm gonna pick it up on a dense brush. I have like something like that. I'm going to spread it evenly on my brush, and then I'm going to do this thing on my hand to take away some of the excess product, and then I'm gonna stamp it on the sides of my face here, kind of bringing it inwards. But I'm doing a lot of blush. I'm actually gonna bring it up to the outer corner of my eye. I picked up a little bit more product. My problem now is that my brush is a little bit wet because I just washed it. I didn't have a suitable clean brush for this step. You can always use your finger though with cream products. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of translucent powder. This is the Peach Perfect by Too Faced. I'm using a small eyeshadow brush because I want to set my under eye area only. Just gonna make sure there are no creases before. And then I'm gently gonna stamp the powder all over my under eyes to set the concealer to avoid creasing throughout the day. I'm gonna take a little bit more and kind of bring it towards my pores area to blur this area. I'm going to leave the rest of my face powder free so it stays a little bit dewy. I'm quickly going to prime my lids because this primer has a dry time, so while I'm doing the rest of my face, this will sit and dry so I can blend on top of it. I'm gonna contour a bit. I'll be using my NYX Sweet Cheeks contour powder. It says that it's a powder blush. Judging by the color, it's a contour powder. It's the shade So Taupe. I'm gently gonna go underneath the blush here, tapping it to add a little bit of dimension to my cheeks and kind of bring it down like that. I'll be taking a little bit more of that product and contour my jawline with it, bringing it down my neck, and I'm adding a little bit of that underneath my nose. My powder blush today is going to be the Blush by Essence. I just noticed that it has the writing here, and then when you open it, it has the same writing onto the blush. That's cool. Whatever. I'm gonna take my Real Techniques blush brush, and this is gonna go on top of the cream blush. It's going to intensify it and also set it into place. Again, I'm taking it up to the outer corner of my eye, and I'm also going to apply some on the bridge of my nose. and a little bit on my chin as well. Okay, now I'm really blushing. I want to finish off the skin before moving on to the eyes, so I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls, and I will highlight my cheekbone and throwing the leftover in the center of my face. I'm also gonna take it on a flat brush and highlight my inner corner with it. Now eyes. I'm going to line my waterline with this Sephora Collection pencil. Kind of makes the eyes look, I don't know, happier, brighter, I guess. Now I'm gonna take the blush from Essence. I don't think I'm going to apply any eyeshadow. I might just apply the blush on my lids. I like how applying face products on your eyes can make the look very cohesive, and the monochromatic looks in general are very, I don't know, just everything blends together, and I like it. I'm gonna take this all across my lid, and I'm gonna connect it with the face blush like that, and I'll be using a little bit of that underneath my eyes as well. Since these colors that I use are pretty light, well, color actually, because I only have a pink, I feel the need to define my eye a little bit. So what I'm doing is a baby wing, a very small wing liner that's going to add some definition to my eye. I'm gonna start from my outer corner here and do a pretty short liner, well, compared to what I usually do. And then I'm going to connect it to my lid. This look is pretty soft, so I don't want to add a huge liner. That's going to really switch up the vibe. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara to finish off the eyes, but not before I curl my lashes, of course. I'm using the Revolution 5D Lash Power Mascara. For the lips, I'm going to keep the same pink theme, and I'm going to line them with the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade 602. Oh, this pencil is so beautiful. I guess today is the day where I rediscover my products. Such a gorgeous shade. Lately I've seen a lot of people applying red glosses. Well, it made me think of this one, which is not red, but it's pink, and I applied it, I think, last week or something like that, and I really like how it looked. Since it's a gloss, it's not that pink as it looks in the tube, but it adds a nice flush of pink to the lips. This is everything for today's look. I hope you found this video useful and you like how the look came out. Let me know if you have any plans for Valentine's Day, and if you do, did you think about the makeup that you're going to wear? Because it's important. I love getting ready for occasions, and obviously Valentine's Day is an occasion. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really wish you have an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye!